Hi there, welcome to today's video. Today's video we are going to be finishing off the interior for the Shelby Cobra. We will get finished today, I promise you that, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please do show your appreciation and hit that thumbs up button, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe. Now let's get cracking. So there we have it, the interior is looking spot on as far as I'm concerned. Hope you agree. Just got to put the dash in and the steering wheel in before I put that in. So let's do that. I'm going to give mine a little bit of a bend. Just because I want to. Okay, getting welded in. Steering wheel. So I'm going to go with this spanner. It needs a bit thinning up, so I'll just cut that back, but it's good. I'm going to stick it in vice state to do that. Now to get the middle done. Go, perfect. Weld that in. Now for just a little bit. Then cut them off. Oh, fiddly bugger. Now let's cut them off. Now we need the shaft. Should be enough. Big enough. Slight tilt. Right, now we need to mount. And how are we going to do that? We'll just do it on that, I think. Cut it off right here. And then I'll weld it to the dash. Where the center of the seat is. Yeah. Okay. Then we know where to weld the steering wheel. Or it's probably not in the center because there's a lot of cars in. Fucking hot. And so now we just need to mount the interior inside. There we go. All right. Weld that in. There we have it. There's the interior in. I think that looks spot on myself, even if I do say so.